In this video, I'll show you how to instantly withdraw money from Robinhood step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to instantly withdraw money on Robinhood, open the app and go to your home screen. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the settings menu. From there, tap on Transfers. This is where you manage deposits and withdrawals. At the top, you'll see your withdrawable cash. Make sure you have a bank account linked under this section. Next, tap on Transfer Money. Choose from Brokerage and select your linked bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then tap Review in the bottom right corner. Confirm the details, then tap Transfer to submit the withdrawal. You'll see a confirmation screen that your transfer has been initiated. The amount will be deducted from your Robinhood account immediately, and the transfer will typically arrive in your bank within a few business days. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.